Young and the Restless spoilers, Wednesday, November 22nd. In the ever-turning twist of a turn of events, in Genoa City, we find Kyle Abbott facing a risky mission. A man with many plans fails before him, woman like Audra. Soon he will plot to pretend to be remorseful about the heated argument he had with Audra Charles. The cause of this conflict is none other than the challenging partnership with Tucker McCall, a character famous for his dark and unpredictable plans. Will his plan receive Audra's cooperation? Viewers may notice that Kyle is not new to the power game at Jabbit. He was playing a double game, acting as a spy, trying to smooth things over with Audra. He may even lie that he will return and continue the takeover plan that he previously abandoned. Kyle's purpose is clear, hoping that with a little luck he can uncover Tucker's plot and pass this information to Jack Abbott. Kyle will receive congratulations from Jack, his father, who always beats him, highly values sincerity and loyalty. But the world of the rich and powerful is full of pitfalls, and Tucker, a veteran warrior in psychological battles, foresaw Kyle's moves. He had prepared a few strategic moves in advance, turning Kyle into a pawn in his game. Tucker carefully placed Audra in a position where she could carry out her new instructions, leaving Kyle no more than a mouse trapped in a maze with no escape. Meanwhile, there's another story going on, silently but no less intensely. Nikki Newman, with the special instincts of a woman who has gone through many ups and downs, begins to suspect the moves behind Claire's actions. Nikki couldn't understand why Claire wanted to imprison her and bring her suffering. These thoughts constantly swirl in Nikki's head as she tries to decipher the mystery behind Claire's actions. Victoria, who is always worried and protective of her family, also begins to realize things are wrong with Claire. She's gradually drawn into Claire's web of deception and decides to share updates with Victor Newman. A father who is always ready to protect his home against all dangers, it can be seen that Victor will not sit still when hearing news from Victoria. He reacts to what he considers alarming information as only Victor can, preparing himself to confront any threat to his family. However possible, he will also fall into Claire's trap not long after. Developments: Newman is also facing chaos. The story will continue to expand and deepen, with intertwined relationships and secrets waiting to be discovered. In the world of the Young and the Restless, each character has a mission, a secret, and a personal battle to fight. The YNR channel is where you want exciting Young and the Restless spoilers, updates, and news, so make us your favorite YNR hotspot.